Back when I was in 10th grade, someone told me that professionals in this field were going to be in high demand, that this sector is the future. And I enjoy working out at sea, so I decided to study aquaculture.
The island of Frøya off Norway's western coast is known for some of the world's best conditions for growing salmon. It's also home to Guri Kunna, a pioneering school that for decades has been teaching kids as young as 16 to work in the fish farming industry. Hundreds of girls and boys come here to learn everything a fish farmer needs to know today, including how to pilot a boat and take care of the fish at a real salmon farm, just a short sea trip away from the school.
The teachers guide us through everything in the first year of the programme, but in the second year we work more independently. That way we can get ready for our apprenticeships at an aquaculture company over the next couple of years.
The success of this school's programme has inspired Bridges, a European-funded project that improves collaboration between schools and the industry to boost skill development in the aquaculture sector across 4 Nordic countries.
The sector needs skilled workers. When we started to work with Iceland some years ago, they were almost desperate. No education. This industry is in low-populated areas, so they needed education fast. The Bridges project aims to develop the schools to be some kind of hubs to foster this growth in skilled workers.
The school's classrooms and laboratories are located right next to industrial companies in a single aquaculture cluster. This helps the teachers keep the programme in tune with what the labour market actually needs.
Being so close to the entire sector, from the suppliers to the fish farming companies, is a massive advantage for us. It gives us a unique opportunity to keep up to date with the industry developments as they happen. This ensures that our education is always relevant, that we are teaching the skills required in the industry.
Aquaculture is essential for the European Green Deal as it boosts coastal economies while providing sustainable seafood. Skilled professionals are key to making this happen. The project team are convinced that both the industry and education benefit from this collaboration.
Essentially what it is effective resource management, and we are stronger together. So that schools and that industries and that the municipalities and that the state can all work together in addressing challenges that the industry faces is a really great way of saving money, saving efforts, and also just being able to think outside the box more effectively.
Maritime logistics is another key area where industry and academia can collaborate better. Europe's seaports like this terminal in Lisbon create 2.5 million jobs, but many employees struggle to keep up with the fast-changing industry. Not all logistics engineers and managers have the IT and communication skills for today's market.
Nowadays, the clients want to know where is their own cargo. If we don't have a tracking system, minute by minute, saying, okay, cargo entered in the terminal, cargo now is on the ship, cargo arrived at the destination, we are not in this market. Of course, we have to know how to make it, but it's something that it's not in the books.
A manager at a major Portuguese shipping company, Guilherme Gomes is taking a new master's course developed by an EU-supported project, Marlum, to address these knowledge gaps.
We don't even know the real needs in terms of skills and competencies in 3 or 4 years. It's amazing. We need to invest a lot on new technical skills and the soft skills, which is a kind of old-fashioned, but very important.
The project proposes to upskill or reskill working professionals by bringing together industry, high schools and administration.
These professionals can be from the maritime logistics industry or can be professionals that work, for example, in a warehouse and want to change careers or have better jobs opportunities.
Experts predict a rising demand for highly qualified and skilled professionals in Europe's blue economy, but many sectors already struggle to find the right candidates, and it's stifling their growth.
All these sectors are facing three main drivers, so digitalization, decarbonization, and circular economy. So all of them need skilled people to manage the new professions and the new challenges of the sectors. So what we want is that this master and this offer will adapt to the quick change of these sectors.
Blue skills can create new career opportunities, even in fields that may seem unrelated, like archaeology, geology, and other sciences that have a growing interest in underwater sites. But researchers often have to overcome hurdles, as professional diving work requires expensive certifications and equipment. To address this issue, the University of Thessaloniki in Greece coordinates a project which aims to make scientific diving more accessible.
There are a lot of applications of scientific diving, and we believe that in the next 10 years, that is the decade of the oceans, we'll have a problem. We'll have a shortage in science divers. So we have to be fast and establish a training system, train new scientists for these applications, and certify them in a way that we can also work across borders.
The lack of a common European standard for scientific diving makes it hard for many scientists to work abroad, despite sharing similar skills. To solve this problem, the Science Diver project is developing a universal training standard. This will make it easier for scientists to work and collaborate internationally, regardless of where they're from.
People improvised because of the needs. So this created a fragmented landscape all over the world, and today we have a global economy speaking about ocean science for sustainable development and blue economy in the European Union. Now this problem came in front of us, and being proactive, we try to prepare the next generation on this matter.
The pilot training courses in 3 EU countries not only open up new and exciting career paths for people interested in scientific diving, but also attract more bright minds to studying and protecting the ocean.
And this also opens another matter, what we call today ocean literacy, engagement in decisions and good practices that will allow us to protect our ocean, our planet.
And for those with the right skills, Europe's blue economy can be a vast sea of career prospects to explore.